Welcome back to my channel. I got here a great accessory right here for beer can chicken. It's the motorcycle beer can chicken. It's a great accessory for your chicken. As you can tell, I used it before. It works awesome. It's badass looking. It's gonna make your whole chicken look like the biker that you want it to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it on my Bronco. I'm gonna go for 250 on the Bronco. You know me, I like to go in the middle between 225, 275, take it easy. It's Labor Day, you know, I wanna enjoy my day, be out there, you know, kick back, relaxing. But if you want that crispy skin, you want it to be done quicker, go over 325, you'll be good. So I'm gonna take the breast up to around 160 and then let it chill afterwards, and it'll raise up tip after that. But you know what? Let's get started. I already got the Bronco going, so I'm gonna season it up right now. All right, I'm gonna season it with that Baker's Barbecue Competition Rub. Fantastic rub right here. Let's start right there. So just get it all in there. And if you want, you can always get some right in there. And then too, underneath the skin, you want to get underneath there as well. You can. Just pat it down. All right. There it is. All right, the next part, get yourself a beer. Now, go ahead and drink you some. You want to get about maybe close to halfway there. So go ahead and do that. This is a 16 ounce, but you can use a 12 ounce if you want. So, get your chicken. Place it right over it. Just like that. So, like that. All right, looking good. Now, final touches. Bam. Look at that. Ready to roll, don't you think? Now, you can use a 12 ounce can. It'll help sit down lower. It'll help sit up better. But I had the 16 ounces right here. So it's all good. UCLC holds up. So let's get it out to the Bronco. There it is. On the second grate. Doesn't look pretty. Now it's time to close it up and let it cook. All right. So we just barely below 250. And then let's see what Inkbird says. I don't know if you can tell, but it's reading at 248, which is a great level. So that's pretty close, right? From the Bronco's temp gauge to the Inkbird. So let's see what that bird looks like. Yep, it's looking good. You can tell I did put the probe in there so I can read what it's reading, you know. But looking good to me. So let's close it up and keep on going. I don't know if you can tell, but it's hitting at 160 turtle temp of the whole chicken. So let's check it out. what it looks like. So I'm gonna take it off and let it rest for a bit, and then I'll cut into it. But it's looking good to me. All right, it was a pretty good cook. As you saw, that motorcycle beer can chicken, let me tell you, it worked out pretty good. Just take a look how juicy that whole chicken came out to be. Take a look at it. Now tell me, that's pretty good, right? And you know, I use a 16-ounce can, but you know, go ahead and use a 12-ounce. That'll help a lot better to sit down. But you know, when it comes to this, you know, beer can chicken, you know all it is. It, you know, it helps to keep that chicken moist. It helps it drying out. That's the whole point of it. You know, you're not gonna taste the beer. You're not gonna taste the alcohol, whatever it is that you're using. You're not, you know, tell them you're not. But it's just to help you, you know, just keep that bird moist, juicy. Tell you what, this bird, it was moist and juicy. Oh man. Oh yeah. Not dry at all. And that's what you want. So, it was an easy cook. 2.5 hour cook. It's pretty good. I used lump charcoal, B&B. You know, B&B, legit right there. That's what I used on there. I put 2 Weber cubes in the middle. That's what I like to do whenever I do, like, you know, like an hour, 2 hour, 3 hour cooks. I always put the Weber cubes in the middle. But if I do, you know, 10 plus hours, I always put it on the side of the charcoal basket and let it just burn that way. But you know, it was a pretty easy cook, pretty good day. Labor Day, took it easy. But tell you what, this is the breast right here. Gotta love the breast, right? But I'll leave a link down to, if you do want to purchase this motorcycle beer can chicken accessory, I'll put a link down below in the description. Check it out if you want. You know, not getting paid off anything off that. That's something I purchased on my own, and I love using. I mean, it's legit. I mean, it's cool looking at it, you know. It helps, right? Keep your chicken moist. So if you want that, I'll put the, you know, link down below. I bought off Amazon, so you know, I bought 20 bucks, I believe it was. So it's not that bad. So if you want, go ahead, click the link down below. Other than that though, you know what it is. Take your time for me, then you go inside to go and eat. But as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you for everything. honestly, thank you for everything. Till next one, smoke on, everyone.